Hey, good afternoon.
Hi.
How's the business of your restaurant?
As good as usual.
I'm so tired, Sam. Can we get something to eat?
How about hamburgers?
Oh, no. What about something more interesting? How about curry chicken?
You know, people always like to eat our curry chicken.
Really?
Curry chicken? I don't like hot foods. How about pasta?
I think my pastas are more popular.
Nice big bowl of spaghetti. Lots and lots of cheese. Pasta? That's not very interesting.
No. I think people like Indian food more.
Don't you know that Italian food has become more and more popular?
And what is wrong with pasta?
What is wrong with curry chicken?
You know I can't stand hot foods.
You know I find boring foods boring.
How about a game? What do you think?
Why not? What would that be?
You take the boy to your restaurant, and I'll take the girl to my restaurant.
And let's see if we can make them like our food.
All right. I'm sure I'll win.
You bet.
You don't like pasta.
And you don't like curry chicken?
Who are you?
You are going to like pasta.
And you're going to like curry chicken.
What are you talking about?
Come on.
Wow, what a beautiful restaurant.
You like the pictures, don't you?
Yes, I think I'm in Italy. The pictures are so lovely.
Oh, yeah. And they're all painted on the wall.
Prospero il vento sul mare luccica l'astro d'argento placida e l'onda prospero il vento venite all'agile barchetta mia Santa Lucia, Santa Lucia.
Was he singing an Italian song?
Yes, it's Santa Lucia, one of our most popular folk songs.
Thank you.
Are you ready for some of our famous Italian food?
You mean spaghetti? I always have it for lunch.
Actually, spaghetti is only one kind of pasta. Thank you. I'm sure you have never tried this.
What's this? It's black. Can we eat it?
Of course! It's a kind of Italian pasta.
Why is it black?
Would you like to find out the secret?
Yes!
Now, to make the pasta, we need to prepare the dough first. Would you like to try making it?
Yes, yes.
This is the chef, Gianpaolo.
Ciao.
Hello.
Hello.
How should I start?
Prima prendi la farina bianca.
First of all, we mix the flour together with some eggs. And a little bit of salt. And oil.
How can we make it black?
Here's the secret.
What's this?
It's a black ink from the cuttlefish. We mix the ink together with the cuttlefish and cook it with some wine and garlic. Now, let's mix the ink with the dough.
Wow! The dough has turned black. It's like magic. What should I do next?
We cut the dough into half and roll it until it's flat.
That's very interesting. It's sort of like making bread.
Bene, siamo nella macchina della pasta. Prima lo passiamo.
With the machine here, we are ready for the pasta.
That's amazing! Such a thick dough has become long black ribbons.
Let's cook the pasta in hot water for a while.
La cuociamo fino a che è cotta. Cosa ne pensi di fare una...
Are you ready for the tomato sauce?
Fresco?
Tomato sauce? That's my favorite. How do you do it?
Let's make the sauce with the seafood here. Prawns,
dei gamberi,
mussels,
delle cozze
and clams.
e delle vongole.
And this tomato looks so juicy.
What we need to do is to cut the seafood and the tomatoes into pieces. Let's fry the seafood in the pan. To add flavor, we add some wine into it. Then we add some parsley and tomatoes.
It smells so delicious.
Finally, we add the cooked pasta and fry for a little while.
The colours are so striking. Black, yellow, red, green, white. I never thought pasta could be so interesting.
We Italians love pasta, and we have clearly created so many different types of pasta.
Vi piace?
Here comes the food challenge. How much do you know about pasta? Pasta, one of the most famous Italian food, is said to be first made in A. England, B. China, C. Italy. The answer is B. China. Pasta is said to be brought to Italy by Marco Polo, who travelled to China. He liked it so much that he brought the recipe back home. The pastas here are so beautiful.
As I said, there are so many different types of pastas. Look at this green one. What do you think it's made from?
I know, it's spinach, a type of vegetable.
Well done! How about this one?
The ribbons are so red. Are they made from vegetables too?
Yes,
I know, it's tomatoes.
you're right. There are many different shapes of pasta too. Look at these. What do you think they look like?
These are like shells. And these are like butterflies.
So, with such a simple ingredient, we can make so many different kinds of pastas. Don't you think that the Italians are very clever?
Yes. My friend, Sam, likes to eat Italian food, especially desserts. Could you teach me how to make one?
You have definitely come to the right place. Our desserts have become so popular. How about making...
Welcome to my restaurant.
Is this really your restaurant?
Actually, it's my father's.
It's great. I've never seen an Indian dance before.
I'm glad you liked it.
What is it? It smells delicious.
Try it. It's our most famous curried chicken.
Oh, curry? Sorry, I don't eat curry. I don't like hot foods.
Come on, try it. You'll find it different.
It's sweet. I thought curries were supposed to be hot.
There are many types of curries, like this one over here. It's called green curry. It's made out of spinach, a kind of a vegetable. That's why it's not so hot. You need to learn more about curry.
Uh-oh. Here comes another food challenge.
Here comes the food challenge. Curry is one of the most popular Indian sauces. It is made from A. Fruits, B. Nuts, or C. Plants. The answer is C. Plants. Curry is made from curry leaves, the leaves of a small plant.
This is our kitchen.
Do you still use curry leaves to make your curry?
Yes, sometimes. It helps to get the taste better. But we use curry powder, which is more convenient.
It smells good.
Would you like to try cooking a curry dish for yourself?
Can I cook it?
Yeah, sure. Let's try to make a yellow Indian chicken curry, which is the most traditional curry dish.
Okay.
भाई साहब, बच्चे का chicken curry बनाना सीखा हूँ.
Why is it called yellow curry?
You find out yourself. Hello. Hi. First of all, we mix some red and yellow chili powder together with some spices and herbs. Next, we add in some pieces of chicken and fry them for a while.
Wow, the color changes into yellow.
Now you know why it's called yellow curry. Doesn't it sound yummy?
Look at my yellow curry chicken. It looks so beautiful.
You like curry chicken at last.
Why wouldn't I? I made it. Why do Indians like curry so much?
We Indians think that curry is good for our health. It helps to keep our body clean. You know, we can have curry 7 times a week.
7 times a week? Don't you get tired of it?
No, we don't. There are so many different kinds of curry. Look at this one over here. This is red curry. It's made from chili and tomatoes.
Is it hot?
You try it yourself.
Oh, it's hot.
Look at this one over here. Try this one.
It's white.
Yes, it's called white curry.
It's amazing how many dishes you can make with one sauce. No wonder you can eat it 7 times a week.
Yes, but for we Indians, especially the Hindus, there's one particular kind of animal which we don't eat. Guess what it is?
Here comes the food challenge again. Guess what kind of animals Indians don't usually eat? A. Cows. B. Sheep. Or C. Fish. The answer is A. Cows. Indians don't usually eat cows because to them cows are sacred animals.
What's he making there?
Oh, he's making bread. Can you guess the name of the bread? What does it look like?
A handkerchief?
Yes, it's handkerchief bread.
Wow, it looks so much like a handkerchief.
Yes, sure. Try it with the sauce.
It's delicious. It goes so well with the sauce.
To add flavor to the bread, try putting some curry chicken on top of it.
I think I've won. Ravenna is beginning to enjoy Italian food.
No, but Sam also loves my curry chicken. I think I'm the winner.
Actually, both of you are winners. Foods from different countries have their own special characteristics.
Yes, and I think we should thank the two of you for showing us the most wonderful food we've ever had.
I've really started to like cooking.
I'm glad you like cooking. I love cooking myself, especially for my family and my friends.
Cooking for friends. I almost forgot. Ravenna, I made you some special Indian barbecued chicken. Ta-da!
That's our most famous tandoori chicken.
Wow, tandoori chicken. That's one of my favorite Indian foods.
Why is it called tandoori chicken?
Because it comes from the word tandoor, a kind of a clay oven. Chicken and other meat are roasted inside. That's why it's called tandoori chicken.
The chicken really tasted good. Now, are we all ready to try something sweet?
Is it some sort of Italian dessert?
Here it is. I'm sure you'll all love it. Ta-da!
Tiramisu! That's my favorite kind of Italian dessert.
I'd like to thank Kim here for teaching me how to make it.
It's my pleasure.
This is the most beautiful tiramisu I've ever seen.
Actually, you should try making it yourself. It's our most famous cheesecake.
Yes, I've never made cheesecake before. It's actually very easy and simple. First, whisk the egg white and sugar until it is white. Next, whisk the egg yolk and sugar and the cheese. Then, add the egg white into the cheese. When the mixture is ready, pour it in a big plate.
Adesso la copri.
Then put it in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours. Finally, dust the tiramisu with some cocoa powder.
This is the most delicious tiramisu I've ever tried.
I think eating the food we've cooked ourselves is the happiest thing in my entire life.
But to me, cooking for others is equally enjoyable.
And I think both our dishes are equally popular and delicious.
And if we can cook, so can you. That's annoying at my... sorry.
That was my line.
Huh?
You're both winners.